In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Dropbox to Microsoft 365. By the end, you will be able to open and save Office files directly to Dropbox without extra steps. First, on your Windows PC, install the Dropbox desktop app and sign in. If it is already installed, just open it and confirm you are logged in with the account you want to use with Microsoft 365. You should see the Dropbox icon in your system tray, and your Dropbox folder should appear in File Explorer once the app is running. Next, make sure you are using Dropbox version 29 or later. In the system tray, hover your mouse over the Dropbox icon and a small tooltip should show you the version number. If the version is lower than 29, update Dropbox from the app or from the Dropbox website so the Microsoft Office integration can work correctly. Once that is ready, open the Dropbox desktop app. You can do this by clicking the Dropbox icon in the system tray or using the shortcut from your Start menu. The app window will show your recent files and folders, and this confirms that Dropbox is active on your computer. Now open Preferences. In the Dropbox window, look for the menu with Settings, then choose Preferences from that menu. A new Preferences window will appear, usually with several tabs along the top for different types of settings you can control. In that Preferences window, look for the Microsoft Office Integration option. It might be listed under a tab with Integration or General Syncing features. Take a moment to scan the options until you find the one that clearly mentions Microsoft Office, since that is the link that allows Office to talk directly to Dropbox. With that option located, turn on Show Dropbox as a save location in Microsoft Office. This is usually a simple checkbox you can tick. As soon as you enable it, Dropbox registers itself with Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, so those apps know they can use Dropbox as a storage place without needing an extra add-in or restart. After that, open Microsoft Word, Excel, or PowerPoint. You can use whichever you like. The integration works the same way in each. When the app opens, you will see the usual start screen with recent files on the left and templates or a blank document option on the right. From there, select File, then Open, or File, then Save As. The file view will switch to the Backstage area with a list of locations or places along the left side. This is where Windows, OneDrive, and now Dropbox will appear. Dropbox should now appear as a location or place. You will see it listed by name along with your other storage locations. If you click it, the right side of the window will show your Dropbox folders, just like they appear in File Explorer. Finally, select Dropbox to open or save your Microsoft 365 files. When you choose Dropbox, you can browse into any folder, open existing Word, Excel, or PowerPoint documents, and save new files directly there. Any file you save will sync through the Dropbox desktop app, and you will see it update in your Dropbox folder. You have now linked Dropbox to Microsoft 365, so you can open and save Office files straight to Dropbox. If this helped you streamline your saving routine, please give the video a thumbs up and maybe subscribe for more quick how-tos.